morning! Welcome to my vlog, Vicky Dison vlog. I'm Vicky Dison, but there's no vlog in there. This is the scrambled egg, and I'm going to cook the fried rice. And with this, I'm going to pour it over the fried rice. Fried rice and one. And 3-in-1. There is a leftover vegetable and the spam. So I mix it in here. Kompleto na. May kanin na, may ulam na. Ito ang aking heavy breakfast ngayong umaga. Kaya, hali kayo, kain tayo na. Tsaka may pandesal na kasama. Ayos ang ligaya. Ito ang aking pagluluto ng sinangag na may konting gulay at saka pinatel na itlog. So, let's eat now. See? Wala nang problema. Subo ka na lang ng subo. Kasi kumpleto na. May ulam na. Kain tayo. Okay, I'm going to test. Mag-heavy breakfast tayo ngayon kasi may marami nang gawaing bahay. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. See? There. Kaya, pag gulay kayo, ito ang gawin nyo. Okay? Okay, this is done already. So, thank you for watching my vlog. This is me, Vicky, the funny 69 woman. So, here. Okay, that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching. I love you. Okay.